Hey guys, today in this video we are going to make some comparison between the world's best tech YouTuber between Unbox Therapy, Marcus Brownlee and Mr. Who's the Boss. Let's find out some interesting fact about these YouTubers. Before getting into the video, make sure to subscribe our channel to watch the video related tech and smartphone. Let's begin our video with Unbox Therapy's facts. Unbox Therapy was created on YouTube on 2010. The host of the Unbox Therapy is Louis George Hilsen-Teaser. Unbox Therapy has 17.7 million subscribers with 9.3 billion views on YouTube. Till now on Unbox Therapy channel, there are 1.8k videos uploaded. Unbox Therapy was originated from Canada with, as mentioned on the Google, the net worth of Unbox Therapy is $24 million. Unbox Therapy has 2.2 million followers on Instagram. Marcus Brownlee is an American tech YouTuber. He is professionally known as MKBHD. He joined YouTube on 2008. Till now there are 1.3k videos uploaded. Marcus Brownlee has 13.4 million subscribers with 2.9 billion views. As mentioned on the Google, Marcus Brownlee's net worth is about $1.9 million. MKBHD has 2.8 million followers on Instagram. The host of the Mr. Who's the Boss YouTube channel is Aaron Miney. He is from England. He joined YouTube on 2011. Till now there are 1.3k videos uploaded on YouTube from Mr. Who's the Boss YouTube channel. Till now there are 6.17 million subscribers with 950 million views on YouTube on Mr. Who's the Boss YouTube channel. As mentioned on the Google, Mr. Who's the Boss net worth is about $1.5 million. These are the some interesting facts about the world's best tech YouTuber. If you guys have enjoyed watching this video, make sure to subscribe this channel and drop us like down below. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.